As you see in the title of this video, I will show you guys how to fix all your problems on your Monopoly Go easy and quick. First, you don't need to open your Monopoly Go, open your settings of your phone, open here your apps option and search for Monopoly Go. Open it and you will find right now this list. Open your permission option. Here you have to check that nothing is enabled and then you have to go back, click right now on battery. Enable it on optimized mode. Go back and click on storage. Here we found two options. Click just on clear cache, so be careful. And then back, click here on first stop. Click now OK. After that, guys, you have to come to your Play Store or App Store if you have iPhone. Update your Monopoly Go on the last version. And right now, if the update available, update your Monopoly Go, and as a last step, restart your phone after this. When you will open your Monopoly Go, you will see that your problem being solved. So guys, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, of course, if this video was useful, and see you in another